Hello everyone. Watch my fingers as I try to psych myself up for doing a 12 by 24 Shelly Art Bloom on this gallery wrapped canvas. I don't know why I always get nervous when I go a little bit bigger than either a 6 by 6 tile or even a hex tile. But I do. I think just because, it's there's an expense involved and there's lots of paint and you just want to make it perfect, and fluid art is not. And the outcome is always unpredictable. So here I'm spreading out some pillow. This is PPG Multipro from Home Depot. I think it's an eggshell finish. And I'm going for a deconstructed bloom for the first time. This is a technique that I saw Karen Dershin do from Waterfall acrylics. And I watched a few videos and we'll see how it comes out. I think in watching this back that I should have probably not stretched the pillow out as much as I did. I'm always afraid that I'm using way too much pillow, so I always stretch it out. I'm going to lay down 3 different puddles and then blow them out with my flower hair dryer from Drew Barrymore. Anytime I'm preparing for a big piece, I always do some test pieces on some tiles. So I had worked these colors that you're seeing forwards, backwards, and everywhere in between to find the combination that I like the best. So that's what you're seeing here is that combination. And I believe that's in the previous video, the test pieces. The other reason I like using test pieces too is you can gift the test pieces along with your piece so that your client has, a little something extra from you. I'm using a couple of new TLP, this little Piggy, pigments I haven't used before, which is Waterfall and Unicorn. I feel like they both have like a really light purple undertone. Just the Waterfall was a darker blue and the Unicorn is a lighter blue, but they have this purplish undertone. So that's why I kept them at the bottom, because when I had put them on the top, it was way too purpley. And this piece, the person that this is for, really likes blues. The other new pigment that I'm using is Blue Eyes. And for me, I feel like that color steals the show. It's so pretty and vibrant. It's called Blue Eyes for a reason. And at the end, I hope you agree with me that it really is the standout color. From watching Karen, the idea of blowing out the cell activator is to try and pick it up from one side of the cell activator, blow it over itself, and then over the colors. So I'm surprised that this part came out as good as it did. I'd love to try this technique again, but not blow them out quite as much and actually leave it in a petal form. I liked the look of just petals itself. So maybe like one puddle in the middle, and then just blow out enough so that there's like 5 or 6 petals around, and then spin it. And that's what I wish I had spun this. I didn't have my spinner set up with me doing this, so that's why I tilted it out. I'm not a great tilter, and this just proves that I'm not. So yeah, a spin out definitely I think would have helped better before, because I struggled to stretch some of the pillow and the colors over the sides. I did the 2 outside puddles first because I wanted to be able to have the middle puddle blow over the 2 others so that there wasn't like a lot of white negative space in between, like that line in between the petals. I don't like that look. I wanted an overlapping look. This blowout, it just blew out so nice. I'm just so surprised that this part came out as well as it did. And I don't know why I surprise myself sometimes. I've been doing fluid art and the Shelly Art Bloom technique for 4 years now. So I definitely know what I'm doing. That's just the confidence in myself, I guess, that yes, my pieces do come out looking okay. artists feel that way too? Like, are you always surprised if something comes out good, even though you've practiced and done it so long? Like, it shouldn't be a surprise. You should feel like a pro, but you don't feel like a pro. So here I am just blending the colors, blending the petals, making sure things are overlapping. I did not want like that white line in the middle. And now I'm going to tilt it out. So this is actually a very long process. The rest of this video is pretty much me tilting it out. So if you feel like you want to speed it up a little bit, go for it. I did not fast forward it, so that for those of you who are interested in watching how it gets tilted, you can see it. But by all means, don't feel like you have to stick around and watch. You can skip if you'd like. So I'll throw some music on. I think I've got some good waves music or like beachy music. So I hope you enjoy. And let me know if you have any questions about this technique. Check out Karen from Waterfall Acrylics on her channel. That would be Felix that you hear whining in the background. He's in his X pen. He just wants to come out and sit on Mommy's lap. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. This is how I feel and I can't stop. Opposites attract, I need you non-stop.